Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today's video is gonna be a review on the Luxie brushes. You guys have known that I've been buying like brushes from Amazon, and I've had like a couple good brushes, but nothing too crazy. I haven't had like a full collection of brushes. And so my husband thought it was time to finally get me brushes that I wanted for a while. He got them for me on for Christmas, sorry. So this is what it looks like. These are Luxie brushes. They're Luxie, as you guys can see. So in total, he got me 14 brushes. The total came out to $159, right, babe? $159, and these are what they look like. So as you guys can see, they have much love already because I love them. This is the Luxie 520 tapered face brush. So this one's just more like to kick off powder, or if I want to really contour with this one. It's just for everything, okay? It's just for everything. And then I have the Pro Precision Tapered. What this one is really contour, but what I really like this one for more than anything is applying blush. And then this one's the Luxie 233 large fluffer. So this one's just for like all over the eye when I don't want to like be like taking my time. I just want like that, like really fast. I really like this one for that. This one, of course, it's like a normal pencil brush. This one's the Luxie 207 medium angle shading. I love this one because it kind of gives me like a cat eye effect if I'm using like a really dark shadow like black or like dark brown or like a plum, whatever. So I put it like right here, and like it gives me like that wing effect without actually me having to do a wing effect, which is great because I don't do wings. Nobody got time for that. And then this one's the Luxie 522 tapered highlight brush. No, it's just your typical boom, boom, snatched, making me look snatched. And then this is the Luxie 512 small contour. It's just so, it like fits perfectly. And then this one's the Luxie 532 round top blender, which is like to blend out foundation, or if like you have a harsh line, you just go ahead and blend that sucker out. Oh my gosh, I really wanted this. This is the Luxie 182, and it's the nose perfector. So this side is to really get in there and do the line for your nose, and then you buff it out with this side, and oh my gosh, my nose contour has never looked better. I love this brush. And then I got the Luxie 120 detail rounded brush. So this one I also just like putting it all, like if I'm doing like one color, I just like putting it all over my eye. Not my eye, but like all in my crease. And like I really like it because this really has changed my round eye game, okay? Let me just tell you that. If you like doing a round eye, this is perfect because it creates that circular motion and it's like domed. So it's perfect, and it doesn't give me like a winged eye, which sometimes it just happens, but not with this one. So I love this one. And then this is the Luxie 209 large shader. But actually what I like to do is, if I really want to deepen up the crease, I just use it and go like. And then this is the Luxie 229 tapered blending. I just love, like, it's so small and precise. I love it. This is the Luxie 231 small tapered blending. It's just to really get precise in there to create a V. I just love it. And then this is the eye shading. So it's just shading. So you guys might count and it'll come out to 15 brushes. So my husband gave me 14 brushes, but they gave him an extra one for a mishap that happened with one of the brushes, which was so nice of them. And then I got the Luxie 227 blending brush, which I love this blush. I mean, this brush. I really love this brush. Okay, so let's get to the nitty-gritty. So as you guys can tell, I love these brushes so much. They I was due for new brushes because I was just not having it with the other brushes. Like they started to not blend well, and it was just frustrating. So I love the brushes. The quality is amazing. I've already washed them. I had no shedding whatsoever, and it's sturdy and it's so soft, and I just love it so much. So I would definitely recommend for you guys to go ahead and check Luxie brushes out. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it 10 daisy heads, of course, because I just love them. Now, my husband right now will share his experience with Luxie.
So the experience with Luxie brushes was very well. Like I emailed them, like, and they responded to me within a day. I even sent them a picture because what it was is like one of the brushes had like this adhesive on it, like this yellow gooey adhesive. So I was like, yo, what the hell? And then so I sent an image along with like a well-written email like to their customer service saying like, could I maybe get a new brush? Cause the fuck? They responded to me. They were very polite, very nice. They even threw in like another brush, like Brenda had said, in the bunch. So that was really cool. They even wrote a little nice note. I'll leave like the image here, basically saying thank you for being a really well customer, I guess, basically like contacting them, not putting them on blast on social media or something. I also told them in the email that like it was for my wife for Christmas and stuff. So my note in particular that they sent to me came in a little envelope, so mine was a little extra special. They basically said, we hope your wife enjoys and loves all these brushes, and you're a great husband and stuff. It was very nice of them, but yeah, like their customer service is really great. Their products are really great, as my gorgeous wife had just said, and
Okay guys, so you guys heard my husband's story. So they have great customer service, 10 out of 10 daisy heads. I would go ahead and recommend this to you guys. So yeah guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go subscribe to my channel, share it so our family keeps on growing, and as always guys, have a great day. Bye.